Synthesia versus InVideo AI video tools. Choosing the right AI video platform can transform your content creation process without technical hassle. Both offer powerful features but differ in approach and user experience. Synthesia and InVideo are leading AI video creation platforms. Synthesia focuses on AI-generated avatars and voice synthesis, while InVideo emphasizes customizable templates and editing flexibility. The core difference lies in Synthesia's avatar-driven videos versus InVideo's template-based video editing. Synthesia is an AI video platform that creates videos using realistic AI avatars and voice synthesis. Users input text scripts, select an avatar, and the AI generates a video where the avatar speaks the content naturally. This process eliminates the need for cameras, actors, or voiceover artists. Synthesia's strength lies in producing professional, human-like presenter videos quickly, making it ideal for corporate training, marketing, and explainer videos. Its interface is intuitive, allowing users to customize avatars, languages, and voices. However, Synthesia's focus on avatar presentations limits creativity to that format, and it may not suit projects requiring dynamic video editing or diverse visuals. Pricing is on the premium side, targeting business users rather than casual creators. Overall, Synthesia is best for users needing polished avatar-based videos with minimal production effort. InVideo is an AI-powered video editing platform designed for creating videos from customizable templates. It offers a vast library of stock footage, transitions, and effects combined with AI tools that help automate editing tasks like text-to-video and scene suggestions. InVideo's workflow starts with selecting a template or uploading media, then customizing visuals, text, and audio. Its strength is flexibility, allowing creators to produce diverse video styles ranging from ads to social media clips. The platform supports collaboration and exports in various formats. While InVideo provides AI assistance, it relies more on manual editing than Synthesia's fully AI-driven avatar generation. This makes it suitable for users who want creative control without advanced editing skills. Limitations include a learning curve for beginners and occasional rendering delays. InVideo fits marketers, content creators, and small businesses seeking versatile video content with AI support. Synthesia and InVideo serve different needs in AI video creation. Synthesia excels in creating avatar-led videos where the focus is on delivering scripted content through AI presenters, perfect for training or corporate messaging. In contrast, InVideo offers greater creative freedom with templates and editing tools, ideal for dynamic marketing videos or social media content. Choosing Synthesia means faster production of polished presenter videos, but less variety in video style. InVideo requires more user input but enables richer visual storytelling with stock assets and effects. For example, a company needing quick instructional videos benefits from Synthesia's streamlined avatar generation, while a social media manager crafting engaging ads will prefer InVideo's customization options. Trade-offs include Synthesia's higher cost and format limitation versus InVideo's learning curve and occasional performance issues. Choose Synthesia if you want professional AI avatars delivering scripted content quickly, especially for corporate training or formal presentations. Optional InVideo if you need flexible template-based video creation with AI assistance for marketing or social media content. Its creative tools provide control and variety, making it a strong choice for diverse video projects with moderate editing skills.